Hi guys, how are you doing and welcome back. So today I have loads and loads of laundry to do, and also I have a lot of cleaning to do around the house. I've been away for the past week. I went to visit my parents for just a little while. So when I came back, I found a lot of the clothes want being washed. So I have a lot of that to do. And another thing, the house is it's not that dirty because yeah, I thank goodness my hubby and yeah, I got to do cleaning because he's the kind of person who cannot be in a dirty house. So I thank him for that. And yeah, the main thing that I want to do today is laundry and just do a little bit of cleaning. So yeah, today's video is basically about cleaning motivation, and I really do hope you enjoyed this one. So before I start on anything else, I just want to put the clothes in the washer. And yeah, I usually like this because as I tackle other things, other areas, then the clothes are getting washed this way. By the time I'm done doing one thing, maybe just one cycle would have finished. So I usually just put the clothes first in the washer before I start on anything else. For the living room, it will just be quite fast, very fast actually. I'm just organizing it. Nothing much to do here. And yeah, I just want to finish on it first before I head into the kitchen. Before I head to the kitchen, sorry, because that's where there's a lot of work. First round of laundry is done, and what I normally do, I usually turn the clothes inside out while removing them from the washer. This way it gives me a much easier work whenever I'm hanging. So after this, I'm just going to hang these ones. Then Since I'm done with the living room, I think I'll head to the kitchen. So I'm in the kitchen, and what I want to do first, these are the dishes that I did last night. So what I want to do is just put them back to their respective places and then start on breakfast dishes. At least today the breakfast dishes are not that many, so it won't take me a lot of time doing them. This curtain is way too dirty to be here. It's actually so dusty. It's more dusty than dirty. Because where we live around the plot there's construction that's going on, so it's normally very dusty. And with me, I like to open the windows, all the windows, each and every morning, and the dust actually does affect me a lot. And yeah, I just got to keep up with it. And yeah, that forces me to do lots and lots of cleaning each and every day. Yeah, guys, so by the way, if you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Monicah, and this channel is all about cleaning, home organization, homemaking videos. And if that is the kind of content that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also do hit the notification button so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. Now that everything has been wiped clean, what I want to do now is to put everything back. And yeah, the jars back, and they're half full. Most of them are half full. Most of the flower jars. And yeah, I don't want to refill them because I normally like to just use everything, just let everything finish. Whenever, for instance, maize flour, when it's finished, I just clean the jar before I put another batch in. Yeah. So yeah, for now, I just arrange everything back to the way they usually are. At this point, I'm done cleaning, and yeah, at least I did finish on time. And there are some clothes outside that I want to go and hang and possibly fold them. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that, but I just want to try and fold them because when you leave the clothes overnight, they normally form creases that, yeah, that's not good. So guys, thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also do not forget to leave your comment on the comment section. Yeah, I think I'll see you in my next one.